Today we are going to discuss about how well we optimize our video or how do we do video marketing for any kind of video and how to optimize for the search results and for the search engine. Let's check this. I have 5 tips and 5 tactics. Those are the proven tactics that works for me and I'm looking if you implement it works for you. So just check the tip number 1. Create a very longer time video. This is a video which is very longer time. Very longer time video will rank very high in the search results of YouTube or the Google search results. And one more tactic or the tip, attract the users within the span of 15 seconds. This is the tip number 2. How to attract the users within the span of 15 seconds. I have few tips, very smaller tips. I'll let you know. See, first thing, share your valuable experience. It should be real-time experience and researched topic. It should be new topic, not the older topic what you are achieve, what other guys do. Try to frame a new topic. Focus on the value of the video content. That makes you to attract the user. And add more tips and tricks which helps you to rank well in the Google. I'll let you know one of the major things, how Google will rank for your keywords. Let us see. See, for example, if you take this, how to ride a bicycle. This with example. How there are certain videos which ranks very well and which goes very viral in the Google search results, like reviews based. And what is the review of that particular film? This is the with example. And how to perform certain action. This with example. And reviews of particular product or particular service and user metrics. This is a film review video which tends to drive very good traffic, very good views. And finally, tutorials like classes, free sessions, free classes, free webinars. This will tends to rank high. And one more thing, fitness and the sports activities will tends to rank very high. This is the video which is having very good high value traffic. And at the least thing, funny videos, which makes people to laugh looking at the video within the span of 15 seconds. This tends to rank very high in the search results. And finally, optimizing your YouTube video or the video. Let us check how to optimize. I have few tips. Like you see, optimize your title tag. The first word should be your targeted keyword of your video, and frame the. It should be a call to action title and frame according to it. And this is the example of particular video which is having good title and good call to action title which tells user to click on it. And the first frame of the video should be more attractive. This is the example of the frame of particular video which makes user to click on the video. Next another tip is description. The description makes it should be a call to action description and it tends to make user to click on it. And finally, one more tip, the video of the voice. The keyword what we framed in meta title, description, and whereas in the title frame it has to be used within the voice of the video. Otherwise, it is very difficult to rank in the search results. And finally, one of the best tips, include your voice spelling your targeted keyword. That tends to rank well. Here is the example which I framed title, description, and the content and the voice of the page well. And this is how adding social media signals, it works well. Thank you.